What is up, everyone? So today, this is probably my first normal day that I've had in a long time. It has been like 3 weeks of non-stop madness and I am burnt the heck out. And I say that not out of complaints. I am so grateful I'm able to do so much and help so many people, but I'm tired. Today is Sunday afternoon, I'm here by myself, and it's like my first time there hasn't been something crazy going on, and I've actually had some time to film. So we have a lot going on and we have a lot of stuff to catch up on, and I'm happy that we have some time now to actually get back into it. And starting this week, we will get back into the normal flow of things. I feel like videos have been all over the place and I haven't even had time to film, is what it felt like. So today, I don't have it in me to go crazy and do something ridiculous, but I want to use it as an update video. Well, I've made a decision and we're gonna roll with it, and it's all gonna make sense. You don't be mad at me, because there's thought and a lot of thought into it. And that is, I've decided to sell a car. Crazy, right? As you guys know, my beloved JZX 100 Chaser has kind of been sitting underneath the lift for like the last 3 months, not being touched. It's been kind of upsetting. As you guys know, the Chaser has been one of my dream cars for the longest time. I was able to actually get an extremely early model chassis, and I was able to import one of the first legal Chasers in the country. Well, it's been like a dream. We took it, we had some fun with it, we filmed a music video with it. I pulled out the NA Auto drivetrain, shoved in this Tourer V drivetrain, hoping to make this into the turbo model Tourer V package I always wanted, since, well, it was kind of more cost effective to get a base model like this and to swap it all in. Now this swap should honestly be pretty easy. We're swapping an engine that originally came in this car technically, and obviously we're upgrading some things, but it's nothing we haven't done a million times before. But the major issue is we haven't been able to get some of the larger components of the swap, which has halted the entire project. Now, I don't say that out of negative energy, because the entire world right now has a supply chain issue. Everyone's business is affected by it somehow, and in some parts it's just made it harder. So I've devised a plan that would make me feel better about this whole entire project. So the big thing I've been like doing all this talking leading up to is I've actually decided to sell the shell. Not the drivetrain, just the shell. So, okay, a little more talking, I'm sorry. I really want a black interior, right? So my whole goal, if I can get my camera right, I was trying to find a cheap JZX 100 I could buy, that I could import myself that had black interior, swap with my tan interior, then sell the imported car, make some money, and get black interior. That was my whole goal. So in the meantime of doing all that, I've actually started to partner with a new import company, and they happen to find me a Tourer S model Chaser with full black interior and better condition for actually cheaper than what I bought this car from. And it was insanely, it's a really nice car, and it's actually coming in probably 3 weeks. So my whole goal here is to sell this shell, free up some space, free up some cash, and then when the new car shows up, and hopefully all the major components I've been waiting on shows up, we can then enjoy the car in one fluent motion. It'll make me feel better about it. It'll make sense for videos. In the end, it all works out. I know it sounds kind of stupid to some people, but trust me, it makes sense. So, enough talking, we're gonna get some stuff done. So today, I'm gonna be ripping out the drivetrain of this car, and well, putting the front end back on, getting this thing ready to sell. My buddy's actually holding a little car meet right now, and I wanna go to it. So let's get this engine out quick, go visit the boys, and say what's up.
Cool. You pulled this thing out by yourself this morning?
Yeah, well, right now.
Good for you. I was next door at Donald's taking a check.
Love that. Well, now it's a shell again.
You getting rid of this thing?
Yeah.
You got another one on the way though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better.
This is a good car though.
It's a great car.
It's a great car.
And honestly, like, it doesn't really owe me much. I got it for so cheap, but it's one of those things that out of sight, out of mind, it's just been stressing me out.
Luckily, you were ahead of the curve on this one.
For sure.
You knew that they were coming, and you were like, I gotta be one of the first.
100%.
I mean, right now, it looks like a Camry, but you know, some suspension, some wheels, maybe a chassis.
It's not goodbye. It's see you later.
So long, mister.
You know what's so funny though? Like, even though I'm taking it apart right now, like, It makes me so happy just to finally work on this damn thing. Even if it's regression, it's still nice in some ways.
Freshen up your mind a little bit when you put the new one together. Look at this guy with the brand new trans.
Yeah, it's sick. It's beautiful. We just gotta wait for more parts to show up.
What's up with the? How come OEMs always spray paint their transmissions? Huh?
I don't know.
What's up with that?
It's just a quality check.
Reducing the quality.
All right, this breaks my heart a little bit, but it's great. I see the future, boys. I see the future.
I hope the future we all get to pile in the back and you can just slay some sick donuts in this thing. Some crazy Jay-Z noises.
Hopefully my new one comes with a CD so we can make another music video.
Oh, true. That was good. That was a good time. Man, Jay-Z with gang. That was a good time.
On to the next. One thing I'm not waiting for is a Link Fury ECU ready for the swap. So if you guys need any Link supplies, Link goodies, Link ECUs, hop below shop Jimmy O.
Dude, Link, I mean, you need a Link.
Small plug, there we go. All right, enough of that. Our buddy is actually having a pretty cool little swap meet cars and coffee thing down the road. Cars and I guess it's past breakfast, so it's gonna say cars and pizza. I don't know.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Take all reliable here. Love that.
Look at this. Again.
The birds love you.
Again. I came up with this idea.
Yep.
They sell these fake owls.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna buy like 3 of them, put them on my roof. The birds are not gonna shit. Right or wrong? I can't kill the birds. I can scare them.
Genius ideas with T-Bone. If you're waking up to your car getting shitted on,
do that.
The fake owl or maybe a scarecrow.
See?
Ooh, the lip, I forgot it was so low. I'm talking all this smack saying Steph's gonna be the one to kill this lip, and I almost just grenaded it. Sorry, Steph. Damn, that lip is so low, oh my god. So be it. Play stupid games, get stupid prizes. So I probably should have been more specific. It's actually like a Subaru swap meet thing my buddy throws. Stevie's DJing.
Shit is here.
It's always a good time. It might not be a Subaru, but it's blue, so it's basically the same thing.
I can't believe I got here before you.
Rare.
Rare.
How are you?
How you doing,
You
buddy?
bring the Z out?
Yeah, she over there.
Yeah, you got the hoodie out, car's out.
You know what I'm saying? Let them know I'm a Z owner. Fellow Z owner. Jimbo!
DJ Stevie!
We in the building. We're in the place to be. How's it going, Jim? How's the video going?
For the next hour, we need royalty-free music.
All right. I'll get right on that.
There's some pretty cool cars here. I'm a big fan of the GC. I feel like GCs, you don't gotta like Subarus to like GCs, right?
Not right. Not wrong.
Not wrong. So, if you guys remember, like forever ago, my buddy has a Drift GC, and I was obsessed with it, and it's been kind of on the list of things to build for a long time. It's a long list. Let's buy a GC.
Good.
Have to check this thing out. I don't know. Is this a? This is not a city, is it?
Can you picture me pulling up to the shop in this?
Yeah, it's Tony sized.
It is.
It's kind of cool. It's kind of nice. Stick.
Really basic.
Honest.
Yeah. Honest car.
T-Bone, post up with this thing. T-Bone in the Honda small minivan.
Right? Maybe soon.
We're distracted by the little Honda K car that we completely neglected. There's an R33 sitting right here.
Look at this thing.
This has been here the whole time?
Whole time.
I swear it just pulled up.
I don't know.
Did you notice it?
No.
Did not notice it. Man, okay, wow. Damn.
It might have some goodies inside.
Oh yeah, look at it.
Only adjustable cam gears.
Hope those are tight.
PRP.
Oh, he knows what he's doing.
He knows what he's doing.
Ooh, he's got actual OGs on this thing. Tommy, he's coming
Got
for
money. The carbon. Gleeing.
Gleeing?
Yeah.
You mean gleaming?
No, gleeing. Gleeing.
Never heard that. And it's beautiful with the old logo cluster. Ah, it's got parts, Tony. One day, boys, it's in the cards. One day. It's not a Honda City.
It's a Honda today. I don't know about
Not
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.
Yesterday?
But today. Yesterday, I think it was an Acura.
Okay.
Tomorrow, maybe Ferrari.
Dude, it looks, I mean, he gave me the keys, all right. This looks big boy friendly. It's funny, I fit better in K vehicles than S chassis. I mean, dude, this is it's not all wheel drive, is it? It's front wheel.
I don't know. I bought a
2 days ago.
Oh, well,
I
congrats.
think it's front wheel drive.
Well, it's a good commuter.
Yeah, it gets like 58 miles to the gallon I got yesterday. So,
Jesus.
yeah. I think it has like a 7-gallon tank.
Huh.
And then I was gonna put the Works bell on it so we get a little bit more legroom.
Oh yeah. No, this is the long legs don't really fit in here. Dude, K vehicles are so good.
It's a blast. Everyone loves it.
Put the whole family in the back.
I don't know about that one.
Okay, maybe a dog or two.
Yeah, there's been a couple dogs.
Man, no more K vehicles. It's a Honda today.
Honda today.
Not a tomorrow.
Today.
Today.
Look at that thing. Little
Cute.
3-cylinder. What's it pushing? 50 horsepower at most?
Probably 17.
17? I'll whip this bitch.
All right, so Jordan is doing a giveaway for an STI. What STI short block is this?
Type R8.
I don't know what that is, but if I win it, I'm gonna build a Subaru.
18 to 22.
Brand new from the dealer.
Yeah, brand new.
All right,
It was
there
the
you go.
last one on the East Coast.
There we go. If I win it, you know, I gotta support the boy. If I win it, I'm building a Subaru.
Let's do it.
We spent a lot of money to try to win this, so hopefully we win. Just playing. So here it goes.
First place. The block.
First place to the block. Come on,
Read
come
the
on.
number, read the number.
203496. Oh, there you go. Congratulations. There you go, bro. Let's match up that number.
I ain't building a
real quick, make
Subaru.
sure.
The universe said no. Well, it was a fun little, called a meet gathering. I don't know, it was a blast. Jordan, thank you for having us, buddy. It's always cool to see some new cars, see some new faces, and well, have an excuse to drive your car. So this year we are outside. I'm trying to take any excuse I can to take my cars out, just enjoy it, because I'm always in that shop. So let's get back, clean up, go from there. Look at T-Bone. There you go. It's a shame, isn't it?
Shame.
But on to new and better.
Yeah, Dolly in the corner.
My new Chaser comes in like three weeks.
Unless we find another one
No,
before that.
no, my new one's sick.
All right.
All right, so before we leave it all for today, let's get the front end back on this thing so it actually looks like a car.
Yeah. Hood, headlights, grill.
All right, I wish I can keep these damn things. My buddy Sean actually put some time in and restored them. Look how nice these things look. It's different,
Brand
right? Looks absolutely beautiful. He sanded out every imperfection and put a really high-end clear coat on them so they stay looking brand new. So, Sean, I'm sorry, buddy, but I'll come back with another set of headlights. I'm gonna want to keep it once I put the front end on it. Put it in the back, you know, save it for later.
SR20.
Imagine SR20 in this thing. I don't hate the idea. RB25. Nah.
2 SR20s in this damn thing.
Double SR20s. I don't want to keep it, T-Bone. No, I need the space. Honestly, like, the space is one thing, but like, just having it, like, not stressing me out is a big portion. Like, just seeing this thing, like, sitting here the last couple months with me not being able to touch it,
So annoying.
just stresses me out.
Yeah.
So this is like my way of like getting some room, getting some money, and losing some stress. Win-win.
Damn.
Man, but chasers are so freaking cool. Oh, it's a chaser again. All right, we put the corner markers in. It's my first time seeing the front end of this car with the fresh headlights. Remember, the headlights on this thing always had kind of cataracts, and it's upsetting to see because this car's so dope, and you know, white chaser has always been so always wanted, and this car has been pissing me off. So this will be good. So we're gonna get rid of this car. It's gonna relieve me of stress, so I don't feel like I have this thing hanging over my head that I can't do anything about. Wait for the new car to come in. Comes in like 3 weeks. It'll be nicer. It'll be cleaner. I'll be happier in the long run, and I'll give someone a good deal on this car. Everyone wins, right, RJ? Everything wins.
Everybody wins.
And then by the time another one comes in, we have 3 weeks. My manifold should be coming in. My wire harness and all the big stuff should be coming in, and then we can get the car together. I really wanted to show guys that you can get a base model and eventually swap into making something gangster, right? That's what I wanted to do. And having it sit around forever makes it look very daunting, and I want people to think it's daunting. So when we get the new one, we'll have everything ready. So when we do the swap, it'll be a week. Tour V conversion. Love that. So I'm gonna stop rambling on. Shout out to Jordan for holding this little event today. I had a good time, and it was a good excuse to get out of the shop. So we've got a lot of stuff to do this week. Time to play catch up. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.